guys.
All right, we're back. We're going back to Mille Lacs, just like we said we would be. We're gonna make this a new series on Fishing Camp YouTube. It's gonna be called something yet. I haven't decided, but basically it's gonna be how to catch specific fish.
How to catch specific fish.
Yeah, but that's not a very catchy title, so we're gonna call it something better than that. We're going to Mille Lacs to catch perch right now. So we're gonna have a special guest star. We're gonna talk about how to catch big perch that you can actually keep and make really good tacos with. And it's gonna be awesome. Let's do it. How you feeling?
Good.
Ready to catch
Ready
perch?
to go. Huh?
Ready to catch some perch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready to catch some perch, Primo?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Try and get out there if we can, then we'll adjust. But I'll get my dad though.
Say hi, Abby. You're a special guest star today.
Yeah.
Fishing Camp MN. All right, you guys, my buddy Primo, he took us out to the mud flats. Mud flats have been really hot this year for catching perch, so I hear. I'm using a spoon. I think Primo's using a spoon, right?
Yes, sir.
Primo's using a spoon. Kayla just caught a really nice one on a spoon. Really small spoons, buckshot rattle spoons. All right, Primo, what do the perch like to eat on the mud flats?
So a big reason why we're out here right now is because there's so much fish for these perch to be eating right now. So they're out here eating a range from bait fish to like little red worms, but their main forage out here is freshwater shrimp. So a lot of the
Forage means stuff the fish eat.
Yes. Yeah, and so a lot of the perch we catch out here, if you really look into their mouths or cut open their stomachs, you're gonna see that they're filled with these freshwater shrimp, and that's what we're trying to imitate with our baits. Similar size, similar colors.
Bingo. All right, Primo,
So,
tell me how you caught the
One benefit
tulip.
of being out on mud flats, if you're not catching perch or walleyes, when these guys come around, they're almost always biting.
What's that called?
A tulipy.
Tulipy.
Tulipy. I mean, some people call them whitefish. You can, whatever you want, but
That's nice.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
I got a big perch.
All right. You want to tell them how you caught it?
I was jigging
What are you jigging?
buckshot rattle spoon.
Buckshot rattle spoon.
And I had 2 grubs on it. This guy came right off the bottom. He's got a little leech on him or something.
No way, really?
You see that?
Oh, gross. Parasite.
Yeah.
Yummy. Good job. Let's go. So sometimes when you go perch fishing, you get really small walleyes. That's kind of just because small walleyes eat a lot of the same things that big perch eat. And that's okay, because a fish is a fish, no matter how small. Just remember that, kiddies. All right, here's my Mondo perch that I just caught. You can literally see, it just threw up. I'm sorry if you don't like seeing puke. I'll put a warning there. It just threw up shrimp everywhere, and that's how you can kind of tell what you should be using. But I thought that was actually really interesting. That tells me exactly what I need to be using to catch said perch. And then, along with a little help from our local guide, we can find the spots to use our shrimp imitations, if you will, or bug imitations. Primo, are you proud of me? Primo's proud. We got our guide proud look at this behemoth. I caught Nessie. You guys, this is my PB perch. This is ridiculous. Let's freaking go! That was a grubby release. That's where we come to the mud flats and relax. That was awesome. I was not expecting to catch a PB perch today. But Let's go, baby. That was on a gold here. I'll show you what I caught that on. It's on this guy, little gold Northland tungsten jig. I don't need to sponsor. I'm not sponsored. I am not sponsored yet. Northland, get on this. I got to talk to Brian Brozel. You guys, that was awesome. That was so cool. Let's get another one. All right, Primo, why do we release some of our biggest fish that we catch?
So the way I choose to think about that is think about it kind of like a triangle, right? And at the bottom of the triangle, sounds like the girls. At the bottom of the triangle, you have your 8s, 9s, maybe even 10-inch perch. Those are your more common ones. There's a much higher population of them. But as you get up the triangle, you get up to those 11s, 12s, 13s, 14s, and there was a 15 caught the other day out here. And when you get up to that,
That's insane.
yeah, when you get up to that peak, right, that's a much smaller amount of those kind of perch in there. So we release those ones because those eggs they are bearing, the genes carry on. So those eggs are going to be more likely to be a bigger perch because they came from a bigger perch, essentially. So,
Bam.
if it was a Tulumi.
Wait, that's a perch!
You guys, I may have done it again.
Not me.
Holy smokes!
Wait, where's that?
State
Where's the one with the...
state record perch.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, probably not a state record, but holy crap.
I'm gonna look it up after this, dude.
Let's go, baby! Come on! Here, hold your fish. Let me film you.
Look
at
that. Get a picture
That's
of
a tanker. Oh.
Holy moly. Alright.
All right, measurement.
0 to...
Third.
it bends at the end. It's a 14.
It's
14, baby.
That's a 10.
Okay.
That's
Not a state record, but a tank. Just saw its girth.
Look at the belly on that.
Okay, put him back in.
All right, let's get a release.
Let that baby go.
She might need a little revival.
You just come get me. Okay.
Oh,
Light
healthy.
work.
Oh.
Come on! Let's go!
I'll send that to you.
Oh yeah, let's go,
Another
baby.
huge one.
That's another tank. Jeez Louise.
We're gonna release.
Let's go, Abby.
I
Yeah.
say we release that.
I probably agree.
Look at that stomach. Like
Jeez.
that's.
Huge.
Just look. Oh, so pretty.
She.
She is
The
huge.
males don't get this big. Look
They
at
don't
that
get
here.
babies.
Abby, get up with your perch here. Look at that.
I got a picture of it too.
Here. Talk to me.
I guess you can catch tulipy when you're trying to catch perch too. I've never caught one of these, so this is really fun. We're having a great day out here. Let's get back. Light work. Light work, baby.
Let's go.
Me with a literal shrimp,
Sorry.
Kayla. Show it to the camera. There you go. Another.
We're eating tonight.
We are eating good tonight.
You take a picture or video?
A video here. I'll go this way. Yeah.
That's a thing.
Can you show me what you caught it on?
Yeah. Was that a video?
Yeah, still is.
Caught it on this bad boy with a worm. Gold and green. Can you take a picture?
Yeah. Alright, so we are kind of done perch fishing for the night because perch actually kind of shut off in the evening when the sun gets just about like that. It's really pretty though. Wow. But yeah, so we're trying for walleyes right now. Walleyes are going to be a different video. I'm not doing a walleye video right now, but I'm going to go try to catch them. So, thanks for watching. If you guys have questions about perch fishing, you can... That was nuts. Sorry, we almost just died because there was a giant ice heave under our feet. Anyway, like I was saying, if you guys have questions about catching perch, where to catch them, what to use to catch them, or anything else like that, You can either let me know what school, send me a Schoology message, or drop a comment. And yeah, thanks for watching. Also, you know how you're going to catch borderline state record perch? You got to get fishing and stop wishing. So, quit wishing.